Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a really I think it's an exciting video because it's my first time ordering from this brand, so I'm really excited. So what I have for today's video is a Miss A haul, and I heard about Miss A because of YouTube, because there's a bunch of videos about it. So it's an online shop that everything is $1, and I heard that they have really good stuff, so I wanted to try it out. So I made 2 orders, which I have right here, and I opened the top just so it could be like easy to take everything out. So yeah, so if you want to see what I got, keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a comment, and also follow me on my Instagram, which is Andrea.rodriguez.makeup. And yeah guys, so let's get started with the video. Okay, so I have this one and I already have it open. So everything comes in like a bubble wrap, and then it has pink packaging, and then you can see everything inside. It comes like really good like package. So let's open it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As you guys can see, it has a little Miss A sticker and then the pink packaging. So I'm just gonna take it out from here because it's easier. And then it has this little like foam type of thing, so nothing will get damaged. It's really good. It's really well packaged. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I don't know, it's gonna be hard to show. Oh, yep. Sorry guys, but this is how it looks like. So, like I said, I made 2 orders. So the first thing that I saw is this soap sheets, and these are apple scented. And when I was watching some of the hauls, I watched a lot of people talking about the little soap sheets and how it was really convenient to have it on your bag whenever you go to a public place and they don't have soap. You can always just like take your own, you know. So I really want to try it out as well. So this is how it looks like. Let's just open it. So this is how it looks like. It comes with like a clear little plastic compartment, and then you just open it and you have the little sheet. Oh my god, they feel, oh yeah, they're definitely apple scented. That smells really good. It's so weird. It doesn't even look like soap. It just looks like plastic. That's really interesting. And only for $1? Like, that's pretty good. So I'm for sure gonna keep this on my bag. The next thing that I got is also from that same brand, which I think this is the brand of Miss A, the AOA Studio. So this is from that brand, and I also got this brush cleaning egg. That's how the packaging looks like. So let's take it out. So this is how it looks like. You're supposed to put your fingers inside and then just clean your brushes. And I actually have an electric brush cleaner, but sometimes I want to like, you know, like it doesn't get all the makeup out or stuff, or I want to just deep clean my brushes. So this is perfect. So it's just in black, and I don't know, for $1, like, right? Okay, so then I got 3 pair of lashes, but I'm gonna leave them for the other package. So the last thing from that package is a makeup, I was gonna say a makeup brush, a makeup bag. So let me open it. So this is how it looks like. It has a paper inside, but just so you guys can see all the little drawings that it has. It has eyelashes, perfume, blush, nail polish, bobby pins, lipsticks, you know. I thought it was really cute, and it's like one of these like little things. I don't know what's it called, but it just has the paper inside and it's all clear. And I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. So I got one. So you just open it like this because it's kind of like folded. Well, it's supposed to look something like this. But yeah, I thought it was really, really, really cute. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the other package. So let me take it out. So this is how it looks like. The other package is the same exact thing. So let me just... Okay, so the first thing is a blender base. So you use it to put your beauty blender inside, or beauty sponge, whatever you want to call it. Use it to display your beauty blender in your vanity or your desk, so it's not like laying around the desk getting all the bacteria. So this is perfect. And of course I got it in pink. And then I got a brush from that brand, AOA Studio, as well. Pretty much I think all I've showed is from that brand. So this is how it looks like. It's the AOA Studio F13, and it's like a blush, small powder brush. This is how it looks like. And I don't know, I just thought it was really, I needed something like this, pretty much. That's what I'm trying to say. And a lot of people were saying that it was really good brushes, so I just got one to try it out. Okay, and then it also comes in this little bag when you have like smaller items. They just put it in a little plastic bag like this. So I also got this Sugar Lips lip scrub in apple scented as well. This is how it looks like. I really wanted to try this out. So whenever I try it out, I either gonna post it on Instagram or I'll make an update on one of my videos. So yeah, that's how it looks like. And with that, I also got the Oh Honey lip oil, and it's just in honey. So I want to try these out for like at night whenever I wanna scrub my lips and then put a little oil so they're hydrated. So these two, I'm really excited, and I hope they're really good because I have really high hopes for them. So okay, so now like I was saying, these are from the same. So like I was saying, I left the lashes for what I got from the charity. So I'm really excited to show you guys all these products first because they're so cute. They're pink, and pink is my favorite color. I love pink, so I'm really excited. Okay, so first I guess I'll show the lashes. So these are from the Paw Paw charity, and it says right here, it says, remember, 55 cents of each Paw Paw product sold helps support animals in need. So I guess like for every purchase, they give the 55 cents to like dog shelters and stuff. So as you guys know, first, I love pink, my favorite color, like I already said like a million times, so I'm sorry if I'm being annoying. But I also love animals. Like I really, really, really love animals so freaking much. Like you guys have no idea. If you ask anyone that knows me, they're gonna say that I just like, I'll die for a dog or something. Like that's just how I love animals. So when I saw this collection, and especially that it was pink and it was for a charity for animals, I was just like, yeah, you can have all my money, here you go. So I got pretty much all of the things, but I didn't get some lashes and the makeup bag because it was sold out. So as soon as they restock that, I'll get it for sure. So let me start with the lashes again. So the first one is in Cartleen. This is how they look like. They're really, really, really pretty. And I'll for sure do a video on all of the things that I got, and I'll be using them on my face. But this is the lashes. I think they're really pretty. And then I got Jean. And then I got, I don't even know how to pronounce that, Jana, I don't know, but that's how they look like. And then the last is I got another pair. Oh wait, I have another pair. Okay, I got another pair of Jean and another pair of Cartleen. So I'm really, really excited to try them out. So I think, I don't know, they're 3D fall mink lashes. So they just look really pretty in the packaging. And then in the back it says, it just says like what the charity does. It says, in the lashes it says, with this purchase you'll help protect animals in need. And then it just says to visit shopmissa.com to learn more about the Papa Animal Charity Program. Thank you for your support. So yeah. So if you guys are gonna get anything from Miss A, from Shop Miss A, get something. If you really love animals, you have to get something from this collection because it's so beautiful and it's for a good need. Okay, so then I got two beauty blenders. So the first one is the Papa Edition Wonder Blender. It's super soft and it's pink, and it says in the bag, the Wonder Blender is a latex-free high-definition cosmetic sponge designed for easy applying and blending. Use it with primers, foundations, powders, cream, blushes, and other complexion products. Unique design is great for large areas of the face and hard to reach areas. So yeah, it's pretty much. I also went into, I just want to say that I went into Shop Miss A because of this. Like, this is what I had in mind to buy because people were saying that this is like the exact dupe for the beauty blender, that it was really soft and it was just $1. And I gotta say that it's super like soft. Can you see that? And bouncy. So I'm really excited for this, especially because it's pink. But yeah, it's, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like super soft. So I'm really excited to try this one. And also, like I said, I wanted to just buy everything from the collection, so I just got the other beauty blender. And I think they also have 2 more beauty blenders. They're like a gray color, but they were sold out. So, but yeah. So this is the other one, which looks like the Real Techniques one, which is the one, the beauty sponge that I use for my foundation and everything. So I just wanted to get the pink one as well, and it's also super soft. But I think this one is more soft than this one. But yeah, I'm really excited for these two. And then I think so I think we're done to the last thing, which is the thing that I was like so freaking excited. I seriously cannot explain to you guys how excited I was for this. So I don't own a lot of eye brushes, and I do need a lot of them because I always do my eyeshadow, so I needed more brushes. So when I saw the collection had brushes, of course I had to get it, and thank God it wasn't like sold out. So the brushes, they come with 10 brushes and a little holder for $10. So pretty much you're getting the holder for free. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. Like, I'm so obsessed with this. It's so cute. And it says also AOA Studio right here. And it's pink. It's pink. So you pretty much just open it, and here you grab your brushes. Oh my god, guys. They're pink. I love this. So this is how it looks like. Like I said, it comes with 10 brushes for $10. So this is how they look like. They're all face brushes. They're all eye brushes, and they are mostly fluffy brushes, which I love. So this is how they all look. So it comes with this one. It comes with a flat brush. This is another fluffy like angle brush. It comes with this like dual-ended eyebrow brush, this one, and then it's another fluffy brush, another fluffy brush, and these are all fluffy brushes as well, which I'm in love, guys. I'm really I'm happy with everything that I got. I'm sure it's gonna be everything like really amazing quality. And I also feel happy that everything that I purchase will well, some of the money will be donated for a good cause, like the animal shelters, because I feel like not many companies decide to do a charity for animal shelters. They mainly use it for humans, which I also donate to, human cases, but I just wanted to really help out with the animal shelters or charities. So I'm really happy that by me like purchasing like this, at least 50 cents are going to a good cause. So yeah guys, if you are getting something from Shop Miss A, just grab some of this stuff, like maybe a pair of lashes, maybe a beauty blender, whatever. But yeah guys, so I think that's everything that I got from Shop Miss A. Also, if you guys want another haul, just tell me in the comments. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that I want to start a little like mysterious case videos, where I choose a case, or you guys tell me in the comments a case that you really want me to talk about it, and I'll be happy to do it. But tell me guys if that's something that you will like, because I know I do a lot of like beauty and like fashion, but I'm a really huge fan of horror and like mystery and stuff like that, like paranormal stuff. So I also want to incorporate that in my channel. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, please let me know down below in the comments if you would like that, and if you do, what would you like to watch. And yeah guys, so I think that's all I have to say. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram again. I'll put it right here. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.